Now, for you writing JAMB, pay attention. When it comes to reprinting your slip, there are two methods. There are just two methods that are very, very straightforward. So I'm going to give it to you without much ado. Number one, we have the online method of reprinting your slip, whether it is the mock slip, whether it is the main JAMB slip. Then we have the offline method, okay? Now, what you need to do to reprint your slip online on your own, you can just visit a JAMB portal. Visit the JAMB portal. Look at the JAMB portal. portal.jamb.gov.ng. In the JAMB portal, you will see an option to reprint, right? In the JAMB portal, you will see an option to reprint, okay? Just visit the JAMB portal, portal.jamb.gov.ng. Click on UTME 2025-2020 main examination slip printing. Main examination slip. I hope you can see the screen, right? Just visit there, click on it, enter your JAMB details. That is your registration number, your email address, your phone number in the space provided. In that space provided, you will enter those things, then click on reprint examination slip. Once you enter that site, click on UTME main examination slip, enter your details, then click on print examination slip. The thing will just print out. The thing will just come out on the screen, and you can download this as a PDF file. When you download, you can now go to a cyber cafe and print, or you can, if you have a printer, you can connect your printer and print immediately. That is first method. There is a second method. Offline method. It's just for you to visit a CBT center, a JAMB computer-based accredited center. Probably visit where you register for your JAMB. Tell them that you want to reprint. This shouldn't take up to 5 minutes if they are fast. Tell them you want to reprint your JAMB slip. Just tell them. They already know what to do. When you tell them, they'll ask you for your details. You can write it out for them on a paper, or you can call it out for them, your JAMB reg number, your email address, and your phone number. Once you do that, they will print it out for you. Check it now. There is no long story, and they may ask you to pay them 500 or 1K as the K. It used to be very cheap. In our own time, it used to be 200. But of course, everything has now doubled in price. For you, beyond those things, you need to become much more serious with your preparation. And one of the things I do for all the members of this channel is to give you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question that will help you in your preparation. If you need those things, you need free JAMB syllabus, you need free JAMB past question. What you need to do is simple. Just join our YouTube channel. You can see an option to join. Go ahead and join. Become a member of our YouTube channel. When you become a member, you can talk to me directly. I will guide you. I and my team will start guiding you until you write and pass. Number two, once you join our YouTube channel, then like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, I said like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you do that, I will chat you up. Once I see you have subscribed, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Come under the comment and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past questions in your 4 subjects. If you have any question regarding your JAMB exam, reprinting your mock exam, and anything, let me know in the comment section.